So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio 5.1 surround speaker not working, rear pairing and audio setting. Fix 1 is check the physical connection. Unplug the audio cable from the back of the wireless subwoofer. Reinsert them firmly into the color coded port, typically blue and grey. Inspect the wire for any visible pinches, cuts or tears. Second fix is check subwoofer power. Look at the status light on the back of the subwoofer. Confirm the light is solid white. Reset the power cable into the outlet if there is no signal at all. Third fix is repair the subwoofer. Press and hold the pairing button on the back of the subwoofer for 5 seconds until it flashes rapidly. Press and hold the power button on the main soundbar for 5 seconds. Verify the subwoofer light turns solid white. Fourth fix is run the speaker test. Grab your Vizio remote control, press the setup button, scroll the speaker test and press play or pause to select it. Listen to see if static audio plays out of the rear speaker. Fifth fix is adjust your TV menu setting. Open your television setting menu, navigate to audio or sound setting, change the digital audio out format from PCM to bitstream or Dolby Digital. Sixth fix is force the rear speaker on. Point your Vizio remote at the soundbar, press the surround button on the remote to turn the surrounded features on, press the effect or EQ button to scroll through the audio profile. Set the profile to dual or movie. Seventh fix is perform a factory reset. Turn on the Vizio soundbar. Locate the physical button on the soundbar body. Press and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume down button simultaneously. Hold the button for 5 continuous seconds. Observe the front LED. They will flash 3 times to indicate the reset is complete. Unplug the power cord for both the soundbar and subwoofer from the wall socket for 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back in and test the system. So thanks for watching, and these are the steps which can help you to fix this issue. Bye.